Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send notes to your friend in Google Meet. All you have to do now, you can start new meeting for example, and in order to send notes or send chat, you can click this chat with everyone. So you can let everyone send messages. You can pin a message or take a note to make it visible for people who join later. When you leave the call, you won't be able to access this chat. So you can write your message here, or you can try to add people first, then you can try directly to that people. And also you can consider to add this extension Scribble AI meeting notes for Google Meet. So this is like meeting notes powered by AI, action items and every call. For example, this one, capacity and workload and niche targeting and so on. This is like notes, MOM. And also this is a Google Meet transcript. Transcript instantly available in Google Docs, and also you have to prepare your Google Docs and so on. Here, just click to add to Chrome and do not yet open your Google Meet. You can add this as extension first. Install this extension first, then after that you can start meeting. So this is the key features: automated note taking and action items with AI, video record or transcribe without bot, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.